Apparently, Doogee is gearing up to launch the Doogee V40 Pro. There's no official release date yet, but the device is coming very soon. And this device would be the first Doogee device to feature Doogee AI. Now, while this device may be the first to have Doogee AI, it's not going to be the last. I believe that future Doogee devices, both rugged and standard devices, would all have Doogee AI, but the AI is going to be exclusive to Doogee devices only. Now, according to the details, the Doogee AI will come with AI call recording and AI text assistant. I believe that there will be more things that the AI will be able to do, but we won't be able to say that for now until the Doogee V40 Pro is released. Anyway, as regarding the specs of the V40 Pro, the device would feature a quad rear camera setup led by a 200MP primary sensor, followed by a 20MP night vision camera, an 8MP ultra wide angle lens, and an 8MP telephoto lens. And its front facing camera is 32MP. The device is powered by the Dimensity 7300 4nm octa-core processor, which means this device is going to be a 5G device, and it also packs a 6.78-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD punch hole display with a 120Hz refresh rate and the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection. Additionally, the phone utilizes 16GB RAM and it has 512GB onboard storage. The device also boots the stock version of Android 14, which is impressive. And additionally, the device would pack a massive 8680mAh battery and would support 33 watts fast charging. Finally, the phone is IP68 and IP69K compliant. It is also military grade standard 810H certified. So these are just some of the top features and specs of the upcoming Doogee V40 Pro. Once I get more details about this device, especially its release date, I'll definitely update you guys. So what are your thoughts about this device? Feel free to share in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.